Today's project is going to be starting to take out one window. We have 8 entire in the basement. It looks like they poured these windows when they did the actual foundation pour, which means these are the original single pane windows from 1965. We're going to take out this metal frame. We're going to double check our dimensions. There's windows that are in stock at Lowe's. Once you're able to remove the window panes, you'll be left with a metal frame and a sill plate above. Now's the time to take your Sawzall to cut away the frame. Once you've weakened the metal frame enough, you should be able to peel it back with a crowbar and a hammer. It took about 20 minutes to get this out. That was definitely poured into the concrete foundation. As you can see, that window pane, I removed it first. Don't want to break any glass. And then this all kind of just powdered up and got disintegrated, which is fine. Because what we'll do is we're going to spray foam install this window. Our next step is to clean everything up and knock down remaining high spots. For our particular case, we also needed to get rid of the original stucco. Lowe's only had new construction windows in stock. New construction windows have flanges on them. To remove these flanges, all I had to do is score each side with a utility knife and then just break it free. Once everything was clean, we measured a spot on the sill plate where the window would line up with the insulation of the house above. This ensures a continual insulation line. Then, using shims, leave yourself about a ½ inch gap all around. Level everything and spray foam it into place. You're going to want to leave the shims in place for about a day, let everything dry and set. You can remove the shims and insert more spray foam. As a DIYer, you're probably going to end up with a bunch of overspray. Nice and flat, just 2 fingers. I'm pushing more against the window. Once the foam is set and shims are removed, now it's time to patch and seal everything up. First step is to painter's tape the edges of all the windows inside and out. Using the Quikrete, you want to mix up a little bit at a time and apply it to the window openings. The Quad Seal on the farthest right is an outdoor use sealant only. Do not use this indoors as it lets off some nasty fumes. The Alex Plus is for internal applications. Apply both of these before any final painting occurs. And then while the concrete's still wet, we're actually going to pull back that tape. That way the concrete doesn't dry and we don't have to chip it away. For finishing touches, we took some 3/4 inch wide PVC inside corner molding to touch up the inside. From there, we applied Alex Plus on all the inside seams and Quad Seal for the exterior seam. Finally, we applied some masonry paint to the patchwork, and once the weather warms up, we'll do similar for the exterior. So here's a rundown of all the supplies you're going to need for this job. You're going to need a packet of cedar shingles, great stuff, foam insulation. Be sure to get the windows and door. You need about 1 can per window. You need a roll of painter's tape to tape up the edge of the window. We ended up getting 2 20-pound buckets of quick setting cement. Then for finishing touches on the inside, we used 3/4 inch PVC composite inside corner, 1 ounce pack of number 18 wire nails, 3/4 inch length, 2 tubes of the Alex Plus all-purpose acrylic latex caulk plus silicone. Quad Seal is for the exterior use. We applied a couple of coats of the Behr Dry Plus masonry waterproofer. Total project cost $720, which gives us a grand total of $90 per window. Factor in about 2.5 to 3 hours for each window over the span of a couple of days to let things dry. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it. If you like this video or found it useful, please like, comment, subscribe. We'll be tackling many more projects as we renovate and remodel our 1960s ranch.